Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vito Dwi Alfian. My name is 230150 and 90. Here I will present the material without complex tensions with adverb clauses and adjective clauses. What is an adverb clauses? An adverb clauses is a dependent clause that functions as an adverb. It provides additional information about the main adverb, explaining the circumstance surrounding the action. Explain when indicators the time and action. Example: when the belong the student left. Explain why. Profits the reason for an action. Example: because it was running, we stay inside. Explaining how. Describe the manner in which an action is performed. Example, she sings as if the she were a professional. Example, under wet condition. Specificasi the condition for an action. Example, if you study hard, you will pass. Distinguishing after versus on as on as. After comes after indication that one action. It as it adds balance and clear sequence where the adverb clauses finish before the action in the main clauses begins. Example: after I finish the task, I went to sleep. In the example, the act of finishing the task is complete entirely before the speaker process to sleep. Once or as soon as, both on and as soon as conveys a sense of immediacy, implying the action in the main clauses happens almost simultaneously. Example: as soon as after the meeting started. Here, the meeting comment almost immediately upon the speaker after he highlight a direct and sweet cause and effect or temporal relationship. Understanding when versus whenever. Well, both then and whenever relate to time. They convey different aspects of temporal occurrence, causing the correct and depend on whether you are referring to a single specific instance or a recurring pattern. When the conjunction when I use to refer to a single specific point in time or a particular ocean, it implies a unique even on repeat action. Example: I will can you when I get home. This sentence refers to a future event. The act of calling will happen at the specific time the speaker arrives home. Whenever. In contrast, whenever is used to indicate repeat event of action that occur at any time the condition is met. It suggests a habitual or regional ocean. Example, I feel happy whenever I see my friend. This implies that the speaker experiences happiness every single time they see their friend, not just on one particular action. Navigating when versus by time. These two pros both introduce conscience, but the different single in their implication regarding the really of hypothetical nature of the situation they describe. Even though the the paras even though is used to introduce a statement that is a known fact or a real situation. It highlights a contrast between this fact and the main causes describe the fact being true. Example, even though he was tired, he kept working. When if in contrast, even if introduce a habitual or possible condition, not a known fact, it suggests that the main causes will happen regardless its potential uncertain future event. Example, I will join the event even if it rain. Understanding event top F versus event if. These two processes both introduce conscience but differ significantly in their implication regarding the really of hypothetical nature of the situation they describe. One deals with fact, the other with possibilities. Event type. The parse event type is used to introduce a statement that is a known fact or real situation. Example, event type, he was tired, he kept working. Even if a contrast, even if introduce a hypothetical of possible condition, not a known fact, is suggests the main causes will happen of a potential uncertain future event. Example, I will join the event even if it's rain. What is an adjective clauses? An adjective clauses are also known of relative clauses is a type of depend clauses that function like an adjective. Its primary role is to disable or modification a noun or pronoun in the main clauses, providing extent or non-essential information about it. Describe a noun, begin with relation pronoun, and begin with relative adverb. Function of relationship pronoun. Who example the girl who sing well is my friend. Whom refers to people and function as the object of the adjective clauses. Example, the man whom I meet is a doctor. Which refers to animal or thing. Example, the phone which I bought is new. Understanding relation adverb. Relative adverb introduce adjective clauses the modification non-relates to past time origin unlike relative pronoun. The function as adverb with their clauses. where refers to a place. Example, the cafe where we meet is closed. When refers to a time. Example, I remember the day when I first to talk. Thank you.